Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you some of the new items that Louis Vuitton has released. So today is Friday, so you know what that means to all the Louis Vuitton lovers out there. So that means that there is going to be new items that was launched or released online. So today they just released a new collection, a new capsule collection, which is in a Monogram Empreinte leather. I mean, this one is exclusive online pre-launch. So that means that you can only purchase it online and it's not available at the store yet. So if you want to go to the website, you could check what's new and what's new for this season. All of these items that I'm going to mention will be available on the website. So this was released today and it's so exciting because I just love this collection. I think the color, the hardware, I think this collection is everything. So anyway, let's start with this first item right here. This is the OnTheGo PM. So this is on the size PM. This is the smallest size on the go, and this one is made up of an empreinte leather. As you guys could see, it has this oversized monogram, and it's just like this. It is similar to what I have right here, and this one is made up of empreinte as well in a bi-color print. So this one, the new collection, this one is made up of this shimmery navy blue color. And it is stunningly beautiful. As I was just checking it on the website, I tried to look at it closely. It seems that the material that they use on this particular piece is more likely, it has a very shiny finish though. It's more likely an iridescent blue navy color. So yeah, I love it. I love it so much. So anyway, so this one is made up of, the color for this is actually called on the website navy knock, which is, I think knock means in French, I guess, made up, it's means mother of pearl. And this one has a silver hardware, as you guys could see. I can't wait to see this in person actually. And I think with this color, the navy blue, which is more likely an iridescent color, the blue color and the silver hardware complements perfectly on this piece. I do believe that. This one has a 4 rivets corner tab, just like this. This rivet. The inside has a microfiber lining right there. It is like the same. It is like the same as this one right here. And of course, I think there's no feet because I've been dreaming on getting one of these on the go that somehow Louis Vuitton would put a feet on their on-the-go, especially with the PM ones. So anyway, this one is actually this one is priced as $3,250 US. That's before tax, and the product code is M58956. That is on the OnTheGo PM. So next we have the wallet on chain. And I think this one is called Viva Wallet and Chain, or Vavin Chain Wallet. And this one is actually also made up of the same color, this blue cowhide leather in a pearly blue finish. It is amazing. And I have seen some of these in a different color and also with a different material as well. Yeah, it is like a wallet and chain, and then it has a chain strap which is removable, which on this one has a silver hardware. Wow, this is lovely. I love the color combination of this, the hardware combination I mean. And this one, it says here it could fit 6 card slots, and yeah, the removable strap. The nice thing about the removable strap is you could use the straps from any of your purses. You could just carry this as a clutch by itself, or you could buy any like oversized chain strap so you could actually accentuate this purse. So this is a wallet on chain. Okay, it looks bigger on the photo, but it's a wallet on chain. This one is priced as $2,010, and the product code is M59077. I'm sorry. So next we have the Speedy Bandouliere. So this is on a size 20. I guess you guys are all familiar with the size 25 because I have a 25, and this one is smaller than the 25 because it is size 20. This one is priced as $2,590, and the product code is M58958. Wow. Looking at the photos right now, it's stunning. Love that silver color. And this one is made up once again with this shiny, shimmery, pearly, navy blue finish. I can't wait to see this particular color in person. I think this one, I know, I'm not really even sure, because since it was described as an iridescent, maybe, yeah, the metallic colors, maybe it is gonna turn out to be like that. And it's amazing. So this one is a silver hardware, so you guys can see right there the top zip closure. It is in silver, and the pattern, it's in a giant monogram, and the padlock right there, so you guys could see it's in silver. Wow, I have been wanting this in such a long time that eventually Louis Vuitton would come up with this hardware, and it is here right now. So you guys can see it has a removable strap. The strap has a combination of the chain strap and a little bit of leather, which highly accentuates the purse. You don't need some sort of chain strap to accentuate this. I think this one is already perfect. Wow, it's amazing. Just love this piece. If you love the color blue, this is going to be perfect for you. And on top of that, this one is iridescent. It is amazing. I will highly recommend this Speedy Bandouliere 20. Then this is priced as $2,590. It's not bad. It's not too bad though. With all the chain and everything, I think this is actually priced really well. So moving on to the next item, we have the envelope carte de visite. This is a business card holder, and this one is priced as $435, and the product code is M80944. Don't worry, I'm going to put it in my description on each of these items that I've mentioned here. So if you weren't able to catch up with the product code, you might want to check the description down below. I will put the description on each of these items that I've mentioned in here. So this one is a credit card holder or a business card holder. Once again, this one is made up of those empreinte. This collection is exclusively a monogram empreinte leather. This one is made up of a grained monogram empreinte leather, iridescent navy blue, and this one has the press stud. This one is actually the same as this, but this one is an empreinte leather in black and has a gold hardware right here. The one that we are actually seeing right now, it has a silver hardware and it has a press stud closure. It is exactly the same, and it is a little bit pricey. That's probably because of the color and the hardware. It's $435, whereas this one, I think this one is $395 before tax, if I am not mistaken. So wow, love it. I just love this iridescent blue color. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So next we have a key pouch. So this particular piece is actually highly sought after, even with the monogram, the damier azur, the damier ebene. This one is highly sought after because this particular piece is very functional. You could use this as a card holder. You could put your coins in here. You could use this as a key pouch. Definitely, it is a key pouch, a clay. So this one is priced as $410 US. It is priced more than the canvas. Yes, it is leather made up of an embossed Louis Vuitton Monogram Empreinte leather. Yeah, the inside is lined with the cowhide leather. It says silver hardware. Look at that right there. You could hook the keys. It is in silver. Wow, I totally adore this combination, the hardware and this color, guys, and also with the leather. I think this one is perfection. It has a zip closure right there, which is in silver as well. Love this hardware. I just can't get over how lovely it is. And the product code is M80900. It's once again $410 US. So upon checking the website right now, I was on the website. Apparently, most of them were sold out. I don't know when they're going to launch this at the store. You may want to reach out with your sales associate about this particular piece. All you have to do is hand them or give them the product code. They might want to help you source this one out. And also, don't hesitate to call the 1-800 number. The client services, the client advisor might help you place an order for this piece. But right now, they have a pre-launch on the website, exclusively on the website, and most of the time they sold out pretty fast. It will, especially with this key pouch, with the Speedy Bandouliere. Yeah, those are the pieces that are really like highly sought after pieces. And next we also have, what do we have here? We have the Zippy wallet. So this Zippy wallet, I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with this. This is a little bit on the larger side, and this one is I think the Clément's wallet is the smaller ones, and this one is priced as, yes, this is larger because this one is priced as $1,240 US, and the product code is M80958. Once again, it is actually made up of an embossed monogram pattern, an empreinte leather. This is actually very nice though. If you love compartments, interior compartments, this one has a multitude of pockets, cards where you could put your credit cards. You could put your bills where you could actually put your bills straight down to the pocket. You don't need to fold it. This one has a compartment for your coins, for your receipts, everything, name it. This one is actually, the Zippy wallet is perfect if you wanted a full-size wallet. This is to go. And this is actually pretty slim as well. So yes, this one has a silver hardware apparently, and it has the pull tab closure right there. It has this leather as well, which is amazing. So next we have the CLÉA wallet. This one is actually priced as $1,080 US. The product code is M80943. Once again, this one is made up of a navy blue pearly shiny finish color. Oh my gosh, I love this. So it is actually embossed with the Louis Vuitton monogram. This one, I'm not really sure about this piece. This has been around for quite a while, and I don't know, my personal thought on this piece is like, I didn't really find this one really attractive at all. It's too, like, I don't know, for some reason. It's very square. And I have no idea. I mean, this one has compartment for your coins. You could put multiple cards in here. Like, it has 6 card slots. And it has a bill compartment. I don't know, for some reason this actually, the style for this didn't really attract me at all. And this one is very expensive. It's $1,080 for that. So I'm not really sure. So there were only 7, if I'm not mistaken, that were released on this particular collection. And yeah, this is so surprised. I mean, I was totally surprised with this piece when I got a notification about it, and I said, wow, this is so cool. Just love the iridescent navy blue color, and the silver is absolutely stunning. You know, if you love blue, I love that blue color. It's not like, I'm not sure with this piece if it's like in reality, maybe this one is more likely dark blue or a navy blue. Maybe I think, yeah, it says here navy, so it's probably a little bit darker though, but it is iridescent, so I think this would look awesome. So anyway, you could check the website, and once again, if you could not get it, it says unavailable, call for availability. You might want to try to refresh the website, and hopefully it became available and you could place an order, because right now this piece are almost sold out. It's not even, we're even like, yeah, it's still in the afternoon here. It's almost like sold out. It's almost completely sold out. So anyway, those are the new items that Louis Vuitton has released today. I think they're beautiful, they're great, and some of those pieces are something that you could actually use every day. Those are the pieces that I think that were more functional compared to the others, I think. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend. Bye.